previous videos I have sent many examples and examples. Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you +1 accountancy lesson 3. The last part is journal entries. In previous videos I have sent many exercise sums and example sums regarding journal entries. Today is the last part, okay, about journal entries. I will teach you some journal entries, how to pass the journal entries with the help of the given exercises. Okay, take page number 61, question number 10. Page number 61, question number 10. Listen students. Raja has a hotel. The following transactions took place in his books. Journalize them. So he has given some transactions for the month of January. Raja is a proprietor. He is having a hotel. Okay, based on his business transactions, we have to pass the journal entries about the month of January. Okay, yes. So the exercise number 10, page number 61. Page number 61. In the books of Raja. In the books of Raja. Journal entries. So this is the procedure for passing the journal entries. Journal entries. Okay. The format of the journal entry is: first column is date, second column particulars, third column LF, fourth column debit, and fifth column is credit. Here rupees. Listen, my dear students. The first transaction is January 1. Started business with cash. Started business with cash. So Raja has a hotel. For starting the hotel, he contributed some amount in the form of cash. So whatever the amount when he is starting the business, whatever the amount he is putting, that amount is called capital. Okay, so amount is capital. So first, when you reading the transaction, you first find out what are the accounts are available in the transaction. Here Raja's capital is one account and another account is cash. So there are two accounts. Cash account is real account. Raja's capital is personal account. As per the real account rule, debit what comes in. Okay, so in real account you have to use only debit, because and another one personal account is there. So in personal account it will be a credit. So whatever the accounts will be available in each transaction, it may sometimes same account, either same, both are personal account, sometimes both are real account, sometimes one personal account, one real account, one personal account, one nominal account, like that will come. So by that time what we have to do means, so suppose you are using one account for debit, means for example here the cash is what? Real account. Real account rule is what? Debit what comes in. Okay, so debit what comes in. So real cash is coming inside. So debit is real cash account. So here another one account is what? Personal account. So you don't use the real account credit rule, because only one account. In real account there are two rules. One is debit what comes in, credit what goes. Debit has come. But credit is personal account is there. So you should not use the real accounts credit rule. So real account credit rule will not apply here because one more account is there, that is personal account. So as per the personal account, you have to use two rule. No, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Here you should not use the debit rule because already real account has come in the debit. So you have to use only personal account credit rule. Credit rule is what? Credit the giver. So here Raja is giving the capital. So Raja's capital will be credited and cash account will be debited. So the journal entry is January 1 cash account debtor to Raja's capital account. So the amount is 3 lakhs. Amount is 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs. Okay. Started business with cash. Narration is started business with cash. Started business with cash. What is the second transaction? Purchased goods from Rajiv on credit. Here purchased goods means purchase account. Purchased goods means purchase account. Purchase asset means asset account. Please understand clearly. Purchase of goods means purchase account, that is nominal account. Purchase of asset is here asset account, that is real account. Here two accounts will be ready. Purchase of goods, purchase of asset. Purchase of goods is a nominal account. As per the nominal account rule is what? Debit all the expenses and the losses. So purchase of goods is a expenses account. So purchase account will be debited. And the owner purchased the goods from whom? Rajiv. For that he is not paying the amount. So it is a credit transaction. So till the payment is made. So credit account will be the Rajiv account. Debit account will be the purchase account. What is the date? Date is here 2. So here date 2. Purchase account debtor. Purchase account debtor to Rajiv account. Because we have to pay the amount in Rajiv. That is why Rajiv account. Okay. Till the payment is made, we have to use the Rajiv account because Rajiv is the creditor here. Amount is 1 lakh rupees. Amount is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Okay. Yes. What is the done narration? Purchase of goods from Rajiv. Purchase of goods from Rajiv. Okay, read the third transaction. The third transaction is cash deposited with the bank. Here, cash is one account and bank is another account. From the business, Rajiv taking some cash and deposited into bank. Okay, so cash is real account, bank is personal account. So there are two rules we have to say. But one is debit rule and another account for credit rule. And that we don't know, so that we have to say the rule. As per the cash account, what is the real, as per the cash, so real account. Real account rule is what? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So from the business cash is going out to the bank. So cash is going out means cash is, as per the real account, cash will be credited. Cash is going out, credit the giver. So credit what goes out. So you should not use the debit rule of real account because credit only here is coming. Now one more account is there, that is called bank account. So here bank account you have to use two, debit rule, credit rule, but you should not use debit rule because credit rule, because credit rule real account has come. Now you have to say only debit rule of personal account, debit the receivers. Then when we depositing the cash, who is receiving the cash? Bank is receiving the cash. So bank is the debit, cash is the credit. Okay, bank account debtor to cash account. The third entry is bank account debtor to cash account. Bank account debtor to cash account. Third entry is bank account debtor to cash account. So when cash is deposited into bank or cash paid into bank, cash deposited into bank for what? Whatever the word is coming, bank account debtor, because bank is, when we depositing the money, bank is receiving the money. Okay, cash is going out, that is why cash will be credited. How much? Rupees 2 lakhs. Rupees 2 lakhs. Rupees 2 lakhs. Okay. cash deposited into bank. What is the fourth entry? Date is 20. Date is 20. Okay. Borrowed loan from bank rupees 1 lakh. So, Mr. Raju running the hotel, he needs some money. For that he is borrowing a loan from one bank. That we don't know which bank. So, when we applying for loan, the banker will check all the details and he will grant the loan, and the loan will be sent to Raju's bank account. Okay, Raju's bank account. That is, he is borrowing loan from any other bank for his business developing. So that bank will sanction the loan and send it to his bank, Raju's bank. Then this bank loan will be received by whom? Raju's bank only. Okay, Raju's bank means bank account is receiving. As per the personal account rule, debit the receiver. So when the other bank is giving the loan, the bank is Raju's bank is receiving this amount. So as per the personal account rule, debit the receiver. Bank account will be debited. Bank account will be debited. Okay. Okay. Then he is getting what? Loan. So as per the liability, bank loan is the liability, so bank loan will be credited, bank account will be debited, bank loan will be credited, bank account will be debited. Date is 20. So whenever you are writing one transaction, please one line, after that you have to write the next transaction. So bank account data to bank loan account. Amount is rupees. How much? Rupees 1 lakh. Rupees 1 lakh. So loan borrowed. Loan borrowed. Okay. Yes. Now let us see the next transaction. Withdrew from bank. Withdrew means cash is withdrawing, taking from the bank. Cash is taking from the bank for personal use. If the proprietor is taking cash or any other goods from his business for his personal use, the account is commonly called drawings. When the proprietor is taking money from the business or amount from the bank or any kinds, any amount or any goods, any cash is taking from the business, withdrawing from the business for his personal use is commonly called what? Drawings. Okay, so drawings is always debit. Drawing is because amount drawn by whom? Amount drawn by Raju. Raju is a personal account. So debit the receiver. Who is taking this amount? Raju's drawing account. But we have to use only drawings account. Only we have to use drawings account. He is taking the amount from where? Who is giving this money? Bank is giving the money. So bank will be credited. So drawings account debtor to bank account. The next entry. Drawings account debtor to bank account. Okay. Drawings account debtor to bank account. So the date of entry is what? Date is 22. Date is January 22. Drawings account debtor. Drawings account debtor to bank account. What is the amount is drawing? Rupees 800. For his personal use is taking some amount from his bank for his personal use. So amount withdrawn for personal use. Amount withdrawn for personal use. Okay. Yes. What is the next transaction? Date 23. Amount paid to Raju in full settlement through NEFT. I already told you NEFT, RTGS, ECS, CDM, check, debit card, credit card, everything related to bank account. Okay, NEFT, RTGS, ECS. ECS is nothing but electronic clearing scheme. Okay, debit card, credit card, check, CDM. CDM is nothing but cash deposit machine. So all the words related to bank account only. Here The Raja is paying the amount to whom? Rajiv. Because from Rajiv only he purchased the goods for 1 lakh. Now he is paying only 99,000. That is Raja. I am the Raja. I am the owner of this hotel. I am repaying. That is, I am paying to my creditor through their NEFT. That is through bank. From my bank account, I am paying the amount to my creditor Rajiv. But actually, I purchased the value of goods from him 1 lakh. But now I am repaying 99,000. But what I am saying here, full settlement. Wherever the transaction consists the word full settlement, definitely their discount account is coming. Either it is a discount allowed or discount received, depends upon the journal entries. Okay, credit purchase means discount received. Credit sales means discount allowed. Okay, here purchase only. So I made the purchase from Raju. So for 1 lakh rupees, I am just repaying only 99,000. It means 1,000 rupees he is allowing me as a discount. That is, I am getting the discount from the Raju. So discount received. As per the nominal account rule, discount received is a income. So as per the nominal account rule, discount received will come in the credit side. Okay, then who is receiving this amount? When I am paying this amount, who is receiving this amount? Mr. Rajiv is receiving the amount. As per the personal account rule, Rajiv is getting the amount. Rajiv is receiving the amount. So as per the personal account rule, debit the receiver. Rajiv is receiving this money. So Rajiv will be debited. Okay, from my bank account cash is going, from my bank account amount is going. So bank account, okay, so bank account will be credited and discount received will be credited. Okay, bank account will be credited, discount received will be credited. What is the date? Date is 23. Date is 23. Rajiv account data. Rajiv account data to bank account, because I am paying to NEFT, no? To bank account. To I am getting some 1,000 rupees as discount. So discount received or only discount, both are same. Okay, see, when I am using the word full settlement means we have to use whatever the amount of goods I have purchased from Rajiv, that amount only you have to mention. Actually, I paid only 99,000, but the word I am using full settlement means actually I purchased for 1 lakh. No, you have to put in the Rajiv's account 1 lakh rupees only. You should not put 99,000, because full settlement means he is allowing the discount. So that 1,000 rupees is also included in that total amount. So 1 lakh rupees, as per my point of view, I am repaying him 1 lakh rupees. But discount is allowing rupees 1,000, balance 99,000 only I am giving as a bank payment. Okay, so Rajiv account is 1 lakh, bank account is 99,000, discount allowed received is 1,000 rupees. Okay, amount paid to Rajiv, full settlement. Amount paid to Rajiv as full settlement, Okay, Rajiv account data 1 lakh, bank account 99,000, discount received is 1,000 rupees. So debit should be equal to credit. Here debit 1 lakh, credit 1 lakh. Okay, come to the next transaction. Paid club bill of the proprietor by check, rupees 200. Club bill of the proprietor is nothing but personal account of the Raja. For Raja, for his entertainment, he is going to club. So that club bill rupees 200 rupees, this comes to his personal account only, because Raja going to the club for his personal use, for his entertainment. So proprietor's club bill will be the personal account. So personal account comes means it is a drawings. Okay, so that amount paid by check. So check is what? Bank account. So from bank account amount is going out. So as per the personal account rule, credit the giver. So bank is giving the money. So here is personal account only is coming. No, personal account is drawings. So drawings account data to bank account. Drawings account data to bank account. Drawings account data to bank account. Okay, drawings account data to bank account. That is club bill paid of proprietor. Club bill of proprietor. How much? Rupees 200. Through bank I am paying, that is by check. So I am using through What is the date? The date is 25. January 25. What is the next transaction? Paid electricity bill of the proprietor house through debit card. Debit card is nothing but bank account. Okay, so from my bank account I am paying the amount. Whose electricity bill is paying? That is proprietor's bill. Proprietor is the owner. Owner's house electricity bill is owner's personal account. It is not office account. Okay, so personal account. Owner's electricity bill is owner's personal account only. Okay, so owner's personal account, that is owner's house electricity bill is owner's personal account. So any amount taken from the owner's personal account, it is called what? Drawings. Okay, it is paid through debit card. So drawings account data to bank account. What is the amount? Amount is rupees 2000. Date is 26. So date is 26. Amount is rupees 2000. Amount is rupees 2000. 2000. Okay. EB bill paid for proprietor. Electricity bill. EB bill paid for proprietor. Paid for proprietor house. So proprietor house is the personal account of the proprietor. So it will be debited to drawings account. So drawings is always debited. Drawings account to bank because we are paying through debit card. That is why it is bank is credited. Now the next journal entry is what? Lunch provided at free of cost to a charity. Charity is nothing but free of cost. That is any ashram or any orphanages. That is we are giving some amount means that is for free of cost. That is called what? Charity. Charity is expenses. Charity is expenses. So as per the nominal account rule, expenses will be debited. That is charity account will be debited. Okay. Now I am actually the lunch is provided from where? From my business. I am the Raja. I am having the hotel. From my hotel, I am giving some food to charity. Some orphanage, some any ashram like that. So I will give some food as a free of cost. That is charity. So charity will be debited. From where I am taking this goods, this food from my business. So from my business means what? Purchase of from whatever I purchased from for my business. From that only I am giving this food. No. So my purchase account will be down. That is reduced. So automatically your purchase will be reduced. So it will be credited. So purchase will be credited here. Then if you taking some amount from your business for office use, for personal use, for charity. So charity or donation will be debited. Here drawing purchase will be credited because purchase is decreasing. No, so purchase account will be credited. Okay. So what is the journal entry? Date is 31. Date is 31. Charity account data. Charity account data to purchase. Because your purchase is reduced. What is the value? Rupees 1000. Rupees 1000. Narration is what? Food given as charity. The last journal entry is 31st. Bank levied charges for locker rent. Bank levied some charges is called bank charges. That bank charges will be deducted from your bank account only. So any bank charges levied means that bank charges taken from your bank account only. So the amount is taken from the bank. So bank is giving the amount. As per the personal account rule, they credit the giver. So bank is giving the amount. Locker rent is for bank charges because bank locker rent is comes under bank charges only. So bank charges account data to bank account. Here the last entry is what? Bank charges account data to bank account. Bank charges account data to bank account. The last entry is 31st January. Bank charges account data to bank account. How much? 1000. Locker rent as levied. Bank locker rent levied. Rent charges levied by bank. Locker rent charges levied by bank. So bank charges upon debtor to bank account. Okay. So in exercises, lot of sums are there. Exercise 11, 12 or 11, exercise 11 and 12, page number 61 for homework. So do well. Thank you.